In this video we will see how to create avatar in WhatsApp. Very easy and simple. Just open WhatsApp, click on setting. Here you can see avatar option. Just click on avatar. You can easily create your bit emoji in WhatsApp by following this step. Just click on create your avatar. Just get start, click on, just select your skin color. I select this. No, just go back and select another color. Click on next. This is best. Click on your favorite avatar in WhatsApp. I pick this. Just click on done. Save changes. Just click on next button. Here you can see create your avatar in WhatsApp. Very easy and simple. Just click. Here you can see find many avatar in WhatsApp. You can select your favorite avatar for WhatsApp. Dip, scroll right to left. I select this. You can change your background color. Click on done. Here you can see create profile option. You can easily create your avatar in WhatsApp. If you like this video, share our video with friend.